I'm excited to personally invite you to attend our upcoming free emergency broadband benefit workshops here at the Oak Hill Collaborative. As part of our Digital Advantage initiative, the Collaborative is helping build consumer awareness about the emergency broadband benefit, a new Federal Communications Commission program which is part of the economic stimulus package. This temporary benefit will help lower the cost of internet service for eligible households during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. This program provides a discount of up to $50 per month towards internet service for eligible households in our community. The benefit may also provide up to $100 per household discount towards a one-time purchase of a computer, laptop, or tablet. The EBB program has several ways for households to qualify. We will discuss the qualifications in the workshop. These one-hour workshops will be conducted at 2:00 p.m. on Wednesday, May 12th, and again at 10:00 a.m. on Saturday, May 15th, here at the Oak Hill Collaborative, 507 Oak Hill Avenue, Youngstown, Ohio. The Oak Hill Collaborative staff will assist attendees to navigate through the process of EBB, review low-cost internet service availability, identify discounted PC choices, and provide training and education options. FCC personnel also will participate via Zoom to provide additional program details and answer any questions you may have. For additional information and to register for the free workshops, please contact the Oak Hill Collaborative at 330-406-0271. We're expecting a large turnout, so please be sure to register today. Seating is limited due to social distance requirements. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the workshop.